First remarks to the mini mic. It's innovational, first of its kind.
Yeah.
Cute.
All right.
Dang.
All right. Here we go. My name is Brendan Belz with Banter with Belz, and today we are at the Beachland Ballroom in Cleveland, Ohio to interview Arcy Drive. My name is Brendan Belz. This is Banter with Belz, and this is the mini hand mic. Today I'm with the hottest band, both sides of the Mississippi, Arcy Drive.
Oh, yeah.
And welcome to the rock and roll capital of the world, Cleveland, Ohio. Today, basically, I'm just going to be asking you guys some questions about the band, and then at the end, I'll ask you a question. If you get it right, you get whatever is in the cooler.
Oh, let's go. That's hard.
All right. Who was the glue that kind of forged your friendship and started the band?
I'll take that one.
Okay. You forged the band?
No, it was me. Could I talk into the hand?
Of course, the mini
Nice.
mic, yeah.
It was me, Brooke, and Austin. We all went to high school together though.
Yeah.
They went to elementary school together. We've been playing sports since like we were kids together. But yeah, us three started the band, and then Pat joined like what,
I think they were
6
doing
months
like
later.
backyard parties and
Yeah.
stuff. I joined up, and then it was just like from there, you know?
Yeah.
Immediately.
All right. Nice.
No.
Yeah, but it was them three first, and then I joined like probably like a little bit over 6 months after they were jamming together. I started playing and like jamming with them in the garage.
Okay.
Wouldn't be the same without Big Help.
We just needed, we were just jamming us three in my shed, and we were like, we would love a bassist. And then Pat came home from a trip and learned the bass, and he was a natural.
So obviously, like in the U.S., there's societal pressures to go to college right after high school. You guys took an alternate route. Who kind of inspired you? Kind of was your number one person who, I don't know, encouraged you to form this band and chase after that rock and roll dream?
Dude, it wasn't even like from the start when we started playing. It wasn't like this big ambition to be a rock and roll band at all. Like it started as a complete joke. Not a complete joke,
It
but
was fun.
it was just
Yeah.
fun. It started as fun,
We were
and that
just
was
at the
it.
bar drinking, and we were like, "How funny would it be if we got to play tonight?"
Yeah.
Yeah.
None of us really played,
We just
so
wanted
like,
to play at our local bar.
yeah.
I remember when because they were jamming beforehand, I was like, yeah, like let's fucking jam, but we gotta play like Gunther's, our local bar. Like that was the goal.
Nice.
So it was never really any like you guys got to do it. It was more of just like we were having fun,
And then we just kinda got
still
lost.
We got
Awesome.
addicted
Still
to
are.
it though. Like
Yeah.
as soon as we started playing, we sacrificed like our next 2 summers, just like loving it, playing every day together. And I remember like in Brooke's shed, like one of the first like couple weeks, we were like, could you imagine playing like a festival? Like that would be the most ultimate thing ever. And we just played 2 festivals, and we have another one coming. And it's honestly awesome that we've gotten to take it this far. It's been amazing.
So you guys moved from the shed to the attic?
Yeah.
The shed was like 6 by
The
6.
shed was a tiny guy.
You'd sit on
and
the
then-
tractor.
Yeah, you'd sit on the
And then
track.
we went to Pat's attic, right? And then we were kind of gonna be done, but then we did YouTube like sessions. Like we just put our music on YouTube, and it did pretty well. And then we were like, okay, let's keep going. And that was that.
Out in the wild, any sound of the steady of mine, out for some time, smoking so hard. Say slow down, gonna catch a cold. Sat outside.
One article I read says you guys kind of coined the phrase attic rock or shed rock. How do you define attic rock or shed rock? How would you guys define your type of music?
I feel like you've said it before. Good.
All right, here I go.
Well,
We made it in the attic, and it doesn't really sound pretty, and we don't really know what we're doing. And it's just rough around the edges, kind of scratchy, and it came from the attic, so it's attic rock, I guess.
It's like the stuff you throw in the attic, you know? It's stuff you don't necessarily need anymore, you might not love it anymore, but it still holds value to you. So,
I love that. Several videos on TikTok, YouTube show you guys jamming out to Johnny Cash, Willie Nelson, Frank Sinatra, Cage the Elephant, the Lumineers, and a wide variety of other artists. Individually or as a group, do you guys have a particular artist or band in mind who has inspired you to get where you are at now?
I'll start. Mine is Catfish and the Bottlemen. Do you know them?
I do not. I'll have to look.
They're awesome. They're like a British rock band, and they got me back into playing the drums. So I love them, and I take inspo from that drummer.
Nice. When did you start?
I played when I was hitting them. I played in elementary school, and then I stopped for a while, and then with the band we kind of like started up again.
Okay.
And then it just all those like things I learned when I was younger just came back to me.
Nice.
And that was that.
I think it kind of changes a lot for me. But right now, I guess maybe someone I've been listening to is Hey Nothing. They toured with us. They opened for us for a couple shows. They've got a new album coming out that they showed us, and it's awesome. And they're just two really genuine people, and they make sick music right now.
Yeah,
That's good. All right, Pat.
Since we gotten like more serious with it, definitely the Arctic Monkeys. Like his bass lines are fucking awesome. Yeah, definitely it's been them as of late.
All right.
I could probably credit everything to like Nirvana and Kurt Cobain. That's like the reason why I picked it up, like through writing and style. But I also love Neil Young. But yeah, those two.
Yeah, I fucked that up. I thought it was like who we were listening to. It was more like inspiration.
Yeah.
I really like.
Hey,
Nothing.
Yeah,
Put
that's
it
not
back.
No,
But Cage the
sorry,
Elephant,
guys.
they were from Ohio.
Yeah.
They're
No,
from
like-
Ohio, right?
No, Kentucky.
Oh,
I really like the Districts and the Kings of Leon and Beachland.
Do you guys know Camp?
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
They're from Ohio.
that was
Yeah.
one of the first
Where-
bands
where
that got us
in
into
Ohio?
playing.
Columbus.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we first started playing together, and I didn't know anything about new music, like I only listened to 60s, 70s rock, but they put me on to Camp and Mount Joy, and those were the two bands, hands down, that got us into playing together.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. I discovered you guys' music on TikTok. How important has TikTok and social media been to the growth of the band?
I'd
It's
say
been
important.
awesome.
It's huge.
Yeah.
We would have never gone down all this and really like saw this through without it probably.
Yeah.
People like took a liking to it, and it gave us like a confidence to continue that.
Nice.
Yeah, it was funny because when we started, we just thought like our friends were just listening to us and just kind of being nice and like they just want to get
Like,
drunk
yeah, you
and
guys
just
are pretty
party.
good.
You guys are
Like-
good. You guys are good. You guys are just like it's an excuse to kind of party and stuff all the time. And then we started like YouTube and TikTok, and then we saw how people that we didn't even know liked us, and we're like, damn, okay, we might actually have
Maybe
something.
we
here.
are good.
But, like we are. We're
No,
a
we're
little
s-
decent.
We're still learning.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're doing still.
But the social
Yeah,
media
a little
is
bit.
like, I feel like, I don't know, it's not like how it used to be where it's like you just get in a van and tour like crazy and hopefully people like recognize like what you're doing and like, you know, keep up with what you're doing, which is kind of what we're doing now. But without the social media aspect of everything, I don't think we ever would have done anything outside of our local
Yeah.
bar,
Yeah.
ever.
No, 100%.
You
I mean,
know?
you have to credit it.
Oh,
too.
oh yeah.
Like a large portion of it at least. It's just a different world.
Yeah.
Enabled us to get on the road.
We have a sold out show in Cleveland tonight.
Let's go.
Who would have
Yeah.
ever thought?
Well,
Yeah.
easy transition. Besides Cleveland, of course, what is your favorite city to perform?
San Diego.
Me too, San Diego.
San Diego,
Are
Seattle
you
was
serious?
Seattle was
Oh,
on
yeah.
fire.
Seattle
Come
was
on.
Seattle was
Oh,
absolutely
So
nuts.
Cleveland, then Seattle.
Cleveland.
Well, we'll
Cleveland,
see.
we haven't played
Dude, I'm
here yet.
psyched,
Hope
I'm
you
psyched
guys
for
are-
Ohio because like I feel like there's like a culture. Obviously, this is like the rock and roll fucking spot. You said it yourself.
You guys
But
have
like
to visit the Hall of Fame.
yeah,
I know.
Gonna be
but like
there one day.
Seattle,
We gotta-
Seattle, I like had this hype. It was like, you know, the grunge scene there, and the crowd was fucking sick. The fans were the people were really cool, into it, like really into music.
Mhm.
And I hope I expect high things from Ohio.
All right, I'll bring the energy.
Yeah,
I'll bring the
get that
juice.
energy.
I'll bring the
Awesome.
juice. Oftentimes throughout the vlog on YouTube, you seem to be the organizer of the group. For lack of a better term, the band mom.
Okay.
Always-
I'm actually called Mama.
Oh,
They call
really?
me Mama all the time.
She calls herself Mama.
I call
all the
myself
time.
Mama.
Always thinking 2 steps ahead, always looking out for the band. Would you 3 agree with that statement?
Yes, 100%. I'll speak for the 3 of us. You agree. You agree too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, we're almost
Yeah,
done.
she keeps us in check. She gets us from point A to point B. She feeds us.
She does
I
everything for us.
change their diapers.
Just super chill, like
Super cool.
Yeah, really
like,
down to earth. Doesn't speak out of turn.
Never complains about anything. It's incredible.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then another question for you. Oftentimes in the music industry, a female drummer is uncommon. Do you feel female drummers are becoming more popular? Also, what do you have to say to girls watching this who are thinking about pursuing the drums?
Drum. Drum. Mama
Little
says.
snap in there.
Mama says drum. It's so fun.
All right. Mama says drum.
I haven't seen many girl drummers, but
Harry
when
Styles,
I do,
you said, has
oh
a girl
yeah,
drummer
dude,
now. It's
no,
like
Luna
becoming-
doesn't. Harry Styles has a girl drummer, Sarah Jones, and she's fucking epic. She's awesome. I feel like whenever you see a girl drummer, you're like, damn, I respect that. So I don't know.
This one's for the fans. The last song to drop on Spotify was They Don't Dance, which released March 31st, 2023. As a fan, is there any time soon when new music will be released?
Pretty soon. We were just
We don't
recording a
even
new
know.
project and making a new project, so we're in the process of doing all that.
All right.
That's what he's trying to find out.
You don't even know.
You don't even know.
All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to elect someone to answer?
Is it like a trivia
Is it
question or
hard?
is it a question?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Fuck.
Let's elect after we hear the question.
Yeah.
Okay. In July of 2022, the Klondike Corporation announced that they would be
Come on.
discontinuing a beloved summertime treat,
This
Oh,
this
Could ask
guy's
any
got
one
it.
of us.
loved
We know this.
loved by all.
Say, come on, because it's easy.
What is,
You were
Like, we-
what is this summertime treat?
What is
All right.
the summertime treat?
Yeah, you guys can have a minute to.
Taco, taco.
Is that your final answer? Final answer?
Yes.
Final answer?
Wait a minute.
Would you do for a Klondike bar?
Let's go.
Dude. This is the best
Wait, are these homemade Choco Tacos?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right,
Homemade.
they're for you.
No. I had one this morning. If you want one. All right. I mean, win in Rome. Win in Rome.
Dude,
I
I didn't get that.
magic trick.
That was a magic trick, dude. Damn.
Yeah. And it's hard to make. The hardest part is making the shell.
Cheers.
We gotta
cheers.
clink this.
Cheers,
how'd you pull
cheers,
this off?
cheers, cheers.
Yours is the
Wait,
best idea
I
ever.
need a selfie. Hold on.
All right, Blake, you're eating nothing.
Wait, get in here.
Go with the camcorder. With the camcorder, Jacob.
Fly.
That's awesome. Yeah. All right. Clinks.
Blake,
Clinks.
Better than a
Clink.
regular.
Actually, you mean it?
I
Yeah.
like it better.
this is meaty.
The cone is legit.
Thank you.
Hey,
How'd you bend it to make a taco shape?
So you get normal ones from like the grocery store, and then you put a wet paper towel over it, and it softens up, and you just unravel it.
Damn, dude.
Dude,
You could open your own like taco joint.
That's what I was thinking about.
Take over.
Parents were roasting me, like, why are you making these? I go, Mom and Dad, you do not
You
understand.
don't get it.
They have don't you guys have like a sticker in your buzz or something? Jacob,
Yep.
let's get this. Zoom in on this.
Come on now.
Look at that. It's like the center. It's the heart of the bus.
Yeah.
It's the
I'm
heart.
halfway through mine. I don't think this shit's even fitting in the normal one.
No,
Dude, I'll tell you what.
Way
this thing
way
puts it to
meatier.
shame.
I'm gonna. Oh wait, none of you guys are allergic to peanuts, right?
Wouldn't be chocolate taco before.
All right, last thing. Can you guys sign my poster? Let's go.
I would have never expected a choco fucking taco.
Yeah, it did not click for me. I was like,
It's that
my brain went the complete opposite way with both things.
it's that Midwest hospitality.
Yeah, thank you. Do you want me to lock it?
All right, so yeah, I started a podcast. If you guys are ever in Salt Lake, you guys should come
Shout
on.
out.
Yes.
Wait, what's the podcast? Oh, that's
Banter with Belz.
Banter with Belz. Shout out Banter with Belz.
Do you good with?
Wherever. We got a.
Who signed already?
All right, so we got Amelie Morgan. She's a UK gymnast. She won a bronze in the 2020 Olympics. This girl is on the Utah women's basketball team, and then this is just my buddy who like does crazy shit. He's a really good skier.
Where should I go?
Wherever.
I have a shit sickness.
No, that's good.
Like a mountain range.
It's the NM. Come on, I call it the Three Hills. Let's go, bro.
Dude, this is
It's awesome. Oh yeah.
I'm getting on his head ad.
Nice. Give him some hair. Yeah.
This is me.
Adios.
Yep.
No, you do the smiley too?
I always do.
No, you don't.
I thought you had the key with the circle.
You copy.
Good, Bam.
Slay.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm excited to get in there.
Yeah.
Man.
That was awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Fuck yeah.
All right.